Happy Easter, guys, and welcome to your Michigan Compass. Today we're at Huron Valley Gun Club in Milford, Michigan, and they've got an Easter special going on this weekend. We've got a little bit of cooking going on. There's some eggs being dropped from a helicopter, I hear, and we've even got some games for the kids, a DJ, live singing and music. Come along with us. The Huron Valley Gun Club offers a wide variety of firearms and accessories inside their store. They also have an indoor shooting range. Around back, the first thing we notice is a table selling raffle tickets, and then the food. They've got smoked turkey legs, hamburgers with chips, beer brats with chips, hot dogs with chips, mac and cheese, and unfortunately they were out of the ribs, beans, and slaw. The raffle was for a chance to win one of these 4 bikes, 2 boy bikes and 2 girl bikes. Around the back of the building, a DJ played music while the kids enjoyed playing all kinds of fun games. They were even doing potato sack races. And what kind of Easter event would be complete without a visit from the Easter Bunny? He wandered around and greeted kids for a short while before going over to the photo area. Apparently there's also some live entertainment going on. They're getting ready right now. The Easter Bunny took his place in front of the backdrop while parents lined up with their children for photos.
Okay. Oh my goodness, we have somebody who's a champion. Who's that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have the self-proclaimed champion over here, so it's on. All right. No pressure, buddy. They just told us. Everybody's been watching you now. All right. If you're ready, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I hope my dancers have the candy ready for the winner. I am seeing some really fancy hula hooping.
The kids truly enjoyed this hula hoop contest. Just look at them go. And while we waited for the helicopter to arrive and drop eggs, we were treated to a show by this dance troupe. Unfortunately, I only caught the end. We've got tons of kids and parents all waiting for the helicopter to come drop some Easter eggs. eggs are falling. I'm not quite sure if you can see it, but they're falling into the helicopter right now. There goes some more falling down to the ground. And everybody's rushing in to get the eggs. Like the last of the Easter eggs have been dropped and the helicopter is going away. Kids and parents alike are looking for Easter eggs. Gives us one last flyby before it heads back to the airport. All right, there we are, the fruits of the labor. Tons of eggs dropped from that helicopter.
I told you.
And now the mass exodus. Everybody's leaving. There are no more egg drops scheduled for today. So as you can see, everybody's kind of heading out. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click on that compass so you can stay subscribed for future videos just like this one. And remember, adventure is just a short drive away. Happy Easter!